Here's how I find the missing piece for people who have failed the NCLEX multiple times. First, I want to go over your CPR report. I want to see how many you got near, above, below passing, and then I really want to hone in on why did you get below passing in these categories? Is it a content issue? We're going to go over content. Is it a test anxiety issue? We're going to start to rework your brain and create a new neural network. Was it a lack of test strategy? I'm going to teach you how to become a good test taker. Yes, you can learn how to do this. My NCLEX program is a 30-day program. It is very scheduled out. You don't have to follow my schedule, but if you want to, it gives you exactly what to do every single day. So when you sit down, you know what lecture to watch, what study guides to read, what anti-anxiety video to watch, what exercises to do exactly for that day. I want you to study max 2.5 hours a day, minimum 45 minutes a day. Everyone can find 45 minutes if they're studying on their way for the NCLEX. I also want you to throw away all of the guilt that you might have for not studying 24 hours a day. You don't have to. You just have to put in the time that you need to and have a very exact plan. You also will attend Monday night live Zoom calls with me at 9 p.m. and we're going to go over test strategy. I'm going to teach you how to decode the question and get to that right answer, not even using your nursing knowledge. And then when you get to that right answer, you back it up with your nursing knowledge and you're like, oh yes, this is for sure the right answer. I have so much confidence. Moving on. And you won't spend like 20 minutes on one question. You won't need the whole 5 hours to answer max 150 questions. You'll breeze through it and you'll stay nice and calm and relaxed and mentally clear with all of the things that I teach within my program. So if you are interested, I would love, love, love to help you pass the NCLEX. Just DM me or go to the link in my bio where it says NCLEX study guide and I can help you get there.